Hello everybody, today I'm gonna to deal with grade 7 grammar, chapter review, speaking about phrases. So what do you mean by phrases? Phrases are group of words without both a subject or a verb that functions as a single part of a speech. And there are many types of phrases. The first type is a verb phrase. For example, I will walk home. So here I have a main verb, a helping verb will plus a main verb walk. So we form the verb phrase by using the helping verb plus main verb. Second type is prepositional phrase. I flew to Paris. So to Paris here is prepositional phrase. It shows the location. Third type is infinitive phrase. For example, I want to run marathons. So here I have to plus the main verb is run. So we form the infinitive by using to plus the main verb. Next type is gerund phrase. We form the gerund phrase by adding ing to the verb, to the main verb. For example, I like baking cakes. So I form here baking by adding ing to the main verb bake. Adverb and adjective phrases. An adjective phrase modifies a noun or a pronoun. It tells which one or what kind. For example, the newspaper from Chicago is my favorite. So from Chicago here is adjective phrase. It modifies the noun newspaper. An adverb phrase modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells when, how, where, or to what extent. For example, in the morning I read the newspaper. So here in the morning it works as adverb phrase. It tells when. When do you read the newspaper? In the morning. Adjective phrase versus adverb phrase. Adjective phrases usually follow the word or word they modify. But adverb phrases may appear at various places in the sentence. It can come at the beginning, as this example, at dusk we went inside to eat dinner. Or it can come in the middle, as this one, we went inside at dusk to eat dinner. So at dusk here comes in the middle of the sentence. Or it can come at the end of the sentence, like this example. We went inside to eat dinner at dusk. Adjective and adverb prepositional phrases. Adjective phrases come after where they modify. They can't begin the sentences. They describe a noun or a pronoun in the sentence. But adverb phrases can start the sentences. If a prepositional phrase begins a sentence, it's an adverb, and it can come at the beginning of the sentence. Answer the questions where, when, why, how, or to what extent. Adjective and adverb phrases review. On the line before each sentence, write ADJ if the underlined prepositional phrase is an adjective phrase, or ADVB if it's an adverb phrase. The first sentence, number 1, the magician with his rabbit entertained the crowd. So, with his rabbit here is adjective phrase modifies the noun magician. Second sentence, with the rabbit the magician entertained the crowd. So with the rabbit here is adverb phrase that comes at the beginning of the sentence, as we said before. And here it modifies the verb entertain. Third sentence, number 3, during the storm we were quite frightened. So during the storm here is adverb phrase modifies the adjective frightened. Next sentence, number 4, the noise during the storm frightened us. So during the storm is adjective phrase modifies the noun noise. Sentence number 5, some information in this book helped me with my report. So in this book is adjective phrase modifies the noun information. Next sentence number 6, Sian left his pencil in this book. So in this book here is adverb phrase modifies the verb left. Next sentence number 7, we found the missing coins on the track. So on the track here is adverb phrase modifies the verb found. Sentence number 8, the shoes on the track are Robert's. So on the track here is adjective phrase modifies the noun shoes. Next sentence number 9, the news program at 5 o'clock features local stories. So at 5 o'clock here is adjective phrase modifies the noun program. Last sentence number 10, we ate dinner at 5 o'clock. So at 5 o'clock here is adverb phrase modifies the verb ate. Prepositional phrases review. Underline the prepositional phrase in each sentence. Then write ADJ on the line before the sentence if the phrase is an adjective phrase, or ADVB if it's an adverb phrase. First sentence number 1. The lawn was seeded today by the maintenance workers. So by the maintenance workers here, this is adverb phrase modifies the verb phrase was seeded. Second sentence number 2. We will open the museum's doors in a few minutes. So in a few minutes here is adverb phrase modifies the verb phrase will open. Sentence number 3. Tickets to tomorrow night's concert will be sold starting this morning. So the adjective phrase in this sentence is to tomorrow night's concert and modifies the noun tickets. Sentence 4. Water in this tank must be drained often. So is in this tank here is adjective phrase modifies the noun water. Sentence 5. Several investigators asked us questions during their investigation. So in this sentence, during their investigation, this is adverb phrase modifies the verb ask. That's all for now.